in the West Philippine Sea.
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko ba na katang-isip ang West Philippine Sea?
I cannot recall, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, kasi ang salita mo dyan, merong nagsabing katang-isip. Sinabi ko ba na katang-isip ang West Philippine Sea?
I said I stand by the statement of the President. I did not mention you said it, sir.
Meron kang katang-isip na sinabi dyan eh. To whom are you referring that?
No, sir. The katang-isip phrase was the President's statement during his SONA. I just merely restated the statement of President Bongbong Marcos
Kaya nga,
when he
you are now
delivered it to SONA.
Kaya mo lang nilabas yan after I said that there is no such thing as West Philippine Sea. But that is in context of the fact that it is not yet registered in the International Hydrographic Organization. Alam mo, Commodore, ang procedure. Tama.
Mr. Chair,
No, you have to answer, Mr. Chair. Alam
Yes,
mo
sir.
yung procedure kung paano maitatala, kung paano natin papangalanan ang isang karagatan na tayo ang may-ari. You know the procedures, right?
with respect to the 19th Congress who passed
You
the
have
Republic
to
Act
answer my question,
12064,
Mr. Chair.
the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, sir, the West.
Kindly repeat your question.
You know, Commodore, the procedures on how we can register the name of a maritime area that we control or that we believe it is ours. You know the procedures on how
Yes,
to
sir.
register. Okay. So, ano na po ba, nakarehistro na po ba, nairehistro na po ba natin yung West Philippine Sea?
Sir, with regard to your question, there must be a legislation and then submit it to the international.
Oo nga, meron na po
Hydrographic
tayong
Organization.
legislation. And
Yes,
as a
sir.
matter of fact, nagagawa na po yung Congress. Kailangan po talaga yon.
Yes, sir.
Nagpasimula tayo sa administrative order pero kulang yon. Kaya nga po ang Congress gumawa para tulungan po kayo. Okay, sa ngayon po, sa tagal na po ng proseso, yun po yung dapat ninyong palaging gagawin. Kailangan lahat ng lakas natin gamitin, maparehistro po natin. Pero ngayon, hindi pa nakarehistro. Tama po.
Again, sir, answer your question. It
Please.
steps by step.
Commodore, sandali.
Yes, sir.
Please answer the question
Yes, sir.
directly. The question calls for a yes or no.
No, sir. If it's in IHO, yes, through legislation.
Sinasabi ko yung IHO because this is the only world body that officially names a particular area of the sea. Kaya sa konteksto po ng pinag-uusapan natin, kaya ko lang nasabi, sapagkat hindi pa po nakatala, we need the international community to recognize a part of our own. Yun lang po ang punto doon, Mr. Commodore. So kung hindi pa po nakatala, tama po ako, hindi ba?
No, sir.
You are inconsistent.
No, sir. I did not say that you're correct. I will not agree that you are correct. West Philippine Sea is our exclusive economic zone.
Eh, Mr. Chair, wala tayong dispute that. Sinasabi ko na nga sa iyo, yung sinasabi nating West Philippine Sea is our own exclusive economic zone. This is ours. You and I should fight for it until the last drop of our blood. Ang sinasabi natin dito, kagaya ng nire-request ng CICC, let us educate our people sapagkat ang alam ng mga tao, lahat tayo, ang alam natin, nakarehistro na. Ang sinasabi ko, hindi pa po nakarehistro. Ikaw ba pwede kang mag-enroll sa isang eskwela nang hindi ka nag-register, nang hindi ka nag-enroll? You answer my question.
Of course, sir, there is a
Kaya nga eh.
legislation.
Kaya hindi pa nakarehistro, Mr. Chair. This is the only point.